Welcome Dad in kitchen. Today I am cooking rasam, Chintapandu rasam. Kadai heat, pour oil, cut 2 pieces and add. It make fat. Be careful you add tomato pieces. Let to cook to 5 minutes. Green chilli flavor super coming. Turmeric powder, jeera powder. I have full stock dhania powder. Nice cook. Mix well. Curry leaves. Good flavor. Some down burning, add some water, some little bit water. So no burning. Tomato cooking. I have full stock red chilli powder. So add as like your taste. Salt also add like your taste. Now mix well. Turmeric water. My hand down burning like this press. Add some another water. Now let to cook boil, nice boiled. All masalas, spicy masalas, all well cooked. We will do small stove. All take this. Nice. And with spoon you do all this. Full flavor come out. Nice tadka. Little bit oil. We have full stock rye. Add it. Karepak for tadka. Round red chilli, dry red chilli and lasan, garlic. Yes. Mix well. Some little bit hing. We'll add this rasam in. Again this. Wow, super rasam tadka. We'll again shift this here. Wow. Bye bye.